The UK Ministry of Defence has announced that it had achieved the country's first high-power firing of a laser weapon against aerial targets during a trial. The laser-directed energy weapon engages targets at the speed of light using an intense beam of energy to cut through objects, leading to structural failure. UAE defense company Edge Group has finalized the integration of its Desert Sting guided bomb onto the Turkish Bayraktar drone, signaling a new wave of cooperation between Emirati and Turkish defense firms. Iran had conducted a successful satellite launch which was placed in an orbit at 750 kilometers above the Earth's surface, which increases Western concern of development of an intercontinental ballistic missile because it uses similar technology. Two Royal Navy ships, which are part of the UK's long-standing presence in the Gulf, collide with each other at a port in Bahrain. No one was reported hurt in the incident. Pakistan and Iran ministers agreed to de-escalate the situation as the tensions mounted after both the countries exchanged missile and drone strikes. NASA and Lockheed Martin have unveiled the X-59 supersonic aircraft, capable of flying at speeds of 925 miles per hour or 1.5 times the speed of sound while reducing a sonic boom.